Holy fuck, bro. Oh my god, what a failure. What a big failure. This is gonna be terrible. I don't think this is going to line up. I think I already did it wrong. And it's not gonna be symmetric, and it's not gonna open like a door hinge. It's totally worth learning and trying before calling it quits. So let's say, for the sake of argument, that's not that bad. Grandpa told me I need a drill. Joke's on him. This is kind of like a drill. What, like $60 for a DeWalt drill? And I'm over here with my bare hands. Oh, it doesn't matter. Oh, wow. Okay, one. Does it open like that? It does. Whatever. Move this down a little. So, where's the marker? Oh my god, my forearm. What am I thinking? What am I doing? I have a machine that builds gaps. Right where this bastard sits, there's a gap. Holy shit, it worked. I do. Okay. Well, they're sitting considerably more flush than a moment before. Yep, I understand. Okay. It doesn't sit perfect, but that's fine. This isn't about perfection. This is about commitment at this point. If it opens up like a hinge, that's more than I can ask for. I'm kind of turning a bit, but so be it. I did that. That installation. Look at that. Look at how terrible that was. I couldn't even install it right. But I mean, it doesn't stop it from opening, you know. It still opens. Excuse me. Now I just have to cut here. Bizarre. Fucking same hit. Fucking axe just bent. Just need a bigger one. That's all. Just need the bigger one. Bro, what are we doing? Speak of the devil. A third piece. Neat. Here, let me try that one more time. No. This one has to split at least once. Cool. Four hits? Okay. 5? Or it's stupid. Stupid work. Ugh. I think this side's bent. Oh my god, I might be right. That side might actually. Oh my god, it is. Oh my god, it is. Wow. That's great. Like a complete dud. Really bad axe. Definitely stopping me from just a little bit of information to. God. This one should split.